I'm back with my Thoughtful Thursdays, and I want to talk about this interesting study, and I want to thank Chandramouli, late Chandramouli, who's also written a fantastic book called The Catalyst. And I have such great vivid memories of this study because the name of the study was called Diwali Dhamaka. And it was before Diwali. What we wanted to understand is people take a lot of decisions about what they want to do for their house, right? Whether they want to decorate their house, whether they want to paint their house, whether they're going to buy something, do something. And this study, we actually planned it where we would go to the same city, and this was in Delhi and I think Chennai, week on week, and meet, I think it was a sample size of 30 people, maybe 15 in Delhi, 15 in Chennai, and understand and map what were the decisions that they were going to take for Diwali, right? So at the beginning, we had a set of questions, and they said we're going to paint a house, we're going to buy the refrigerator, we're going to buy clothes, we're going to do la 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 la. And week on week, we would ask them the progress of that activity, whether it was painting. And obviously, one part of the thing was whether they would paint their house. Obviously, it is an Asian paint study, so we had to make sure or understand if they had a thought whether they wanted to paint their house. And we know that most people do something for Diwali. They'll paint one room, or they will, paint the whole house. And maybe people haven't done it for a long time. The study, of course, the exciting thing was the whole Diwali Dhamaka and the name of the study. But my eye-opening moments were in Delhi. All along, when I'd done my study, I'd always done it in New Delhi. But Chandramouli said, Priya, you have to capture Old Delhi. I said, okay, that's all that I've read in history books. And I was excited because I'm a history, ancient Indian culture kind of a student. And when I went to Old Delhi, of course, I'm sure you've seen it in movies, and those are from Delhi know that how crazy that place is. And how do people maneuver, how things happen, as I would say in my word, God only knows. And I was, we decided amongst researchers who would do it week on week, and that was my turn to go to Old Delhi. And I sat in the cycle rickshaw, and I was like, देखो क्या हो रहा है, and all of that. And when I went to that house, it was an old Haveli, Koti, and we had 3 generations staying over there. And the person that I was interviewing, I said, "Aap painting karne wale ho?" Yeah, but this younger guy said, "Haan, I want to do it, but my family won't allow it." And my Bombay brain was saying what? Family won't allow it? सबको पूछना पड़ेगा. And the lady of the was saying, नहीं, joint family में ऐसे नहीं होता है. सबकी decisions होते हैं. सबको साथ लेके चलना होता है. And my mind is saying, you want to do it. It's your room. Why are so many people involved? And those are the moments where you realize that we go with so much of our own biases and beliefs, right? The way we are brought up, and believe that the entire universe should also be behaving like that. So I learned that the role of the joint family, because I have been brought up in a nuclear family where we were allowed to take our decisions and we were allowed to be individuals. But that's not the case with most people. So the joint family decision making, and what is the role of each person in the decision making, right from the new babu to the senior babu, to the mother-in-law and father-in-law, the pecking order. And that was important to understand. The second thing that was important to understand is that while they said joint family, they told me hamare kitchens alag hai. Okay, this is Priya logo years back, and I'm like a total duffer, and I said, kitchens alag, because our house, everything is one kitchen, everybody does everything. They said, no, joint family, but we have a kitchen separate so that we cook our own food, what we like. And you'll realize that when you go to Delhi, when most people will say we are a joint family, but our kitchen's alag hai. And I think that keeps the family sanity. Now, these are the subtle cues and cultural codes that become very, very important when we go and understand a city. The old Delhi culture versus the new Delhi culture. And if you watch the movie Delhi 6, Abhishek and this whole Masakali and the whole chat, I really appreciated the movie because I had actually experienced the scale and the nuances of all of that. And that, my friends, is what we should be doing as researchers. A researcher is not only some fancy thing which we see online and watch through movies and say maybe it's happening over there. We need to walk the streets, we need to experience, go to Chandni Chowk, go to Parathe Wale Gully, experience all of these things. Go to Old Delhi, sit in that cycle rickshaw. If you haven't done that, and I know it would be something that you would not like to do, these are experiences for a lifetime. And that's what you will take with you, and that makes a world of difference. So if you like what I say and you want to know more, reach out to us.